Today, I will cover the bare wooden cabin with cloth to make it withstand wind and rain. First, we extend 2 additional horizontal poles from the top beam so that both the cloth can be draped over them. So, in order to create a simple shade. With my younger sister's help, I measured the length of the cloth and cut it into the required shape. Afterwards, we secure the triangular pieces onto the protruding poles. Next, we cover both sides of the front of the tent with triangular cloth pieces. Then came the more challenging step, installing the largest piece of cloth onto the main beam of the structure. I had to climb onto the beam to properly position it. After that, we reinforced it with nails. We then cover the bottom layer with cloth and, following the same method, secure it with nails. The next step was relatively difficult. Installing the middle section of the cloth. I had to squeeze through the gaps in the wooden structure to reinforce it. It's important to know that the top layer of cloth must overlap the second layer, and the second layer must overlap the third layer. Otherwise, the whole structure will leak when it rains. After we reinforced each point of the tarp, in order to withstand the stronger winds, we then added some tent ropes on both sides of the tarp and fixed them to the ground with tent stakes. Finally, once the cloth on both sides was securely reinforced, the entire structure was officially completed.